So, Bitcoin broke its little trend line here, and now you're wondering what to do. Well, today I'm going to give you some insight on the stock market, the crypto market, and help you gauge your own personal trading decision. So this right here, if we look at the stock market right here has been in this bearish channel for the better part of about 9 months now. Since it topped out here on the 5th of January, and it looks like we've had a decent bounce here on the 17th of June, right here at these previous levels of support. Now this trend line right here looked like yesterday that it was going to fake out. If you look on the 4-hour here, we can see it a bit cleaner. Right here, I believe that this right here was a bearish trap. The sentiment in the markets right now seems to be pretty bearish and pretty fearful. So I'd suggest to anybody who wants to trade Bitcoin and altcoins to pay attention to the US30, because as it looks, lately the US30 and Bitcoin have been extremely correlated. If you look here, the bounce right here on Bitcoin is happening at about the same time as the US30. So this isn't something to take lightly, right? Also, upon Bitcoin breaking down this trend line, the bearish channel we were forming in this little ascending wedge we had, and this bearish flag right here, we've come into a level of support here, at having another possible bearish fake out. But now it looks like we've hit a bit of a bounce. So now that we've hit this bounce, the likelihood of a good run-up in the market is very plausible. Bitcoin right now looks as if it's just trying so hard to break out. It looks very uneasy right now. It's not sure what it wants to do. But if we look at the US30 and we look at the current state that it's in, we're seeing this bounce off of support here. And during these fake outs that happen, I have noticed that a lot of these fake outs that have happened on Bitcoin recently and the US30 have resulted in big run-ups in price. During these bear markets, people get really scared, right? And so each bear trap gets a lot of that fear out of the market. If you look here, back when this was forming up, this level right here took a lot of people out. A lot of people were setting their charts up like this. This was the majority of people setting their charts up like this, going, okay, right now we can see a bit of something forming right here, right? And then when this came, people absolutely freaked out and panic sold. And the wolf traders, I guess you could say, bought into this right here and rode the top. So right here, what we're seeing right here on Bitcoin could be what we just saw on the US30. This could have been a fake out to get all those panic sellers out, and now we could see a great rip up. We could see the US30 obviously hit the top of this channel. We could see it hit these resistance points right here. I believe this area right here is the most realistic for the US30. 33.5. And then from there, we'll just see what happens as it goes along. But on Bitcoin, we do see a short-term bounce here coming into play. On Ethereum, we have seen it break out of a descending wedge. This is a bullish indicator. Right here as well, we see a bear trap come in. There's a bit of a trend line going here, broke down a bit, pushed up, came down, and now it's coming back up again. And just by looking at this, I can tell that this is kind of already forming up a bit of a flag. So things I'd be looking to get into would obviously be Ethereum and Bitcoin. The best thing to do when the crypto market is in these positions is to go through all the altcoins you can, all the altcoins that can trade that are on your broker, look through them and find the best ones that have the best setups, the most hyped ones, the ones that have the most volume. If Bitcoin makes a run up of 10%, you're going to see XRP run up 20, right? That's the nature of altcoins. Ethereum and Bitcoin are like the indexes of the crypto market, right? So I would say there's some great dip buying opportunities right now. Remember to cover your ass and be careful. Be very cautious during these bear markets. Hold your money very tight to you. And make good decisions. Make some good trades.